Hands-on review. LG PuriCare Aero HIT Air Purifier, modern design with 360-degree air filtration. In recent years, air purifiers have become essential devices for enhancing indoor air quality, especially in urban areas where pollution and allergens are a growing concern. The LG PuriCare Aero HIT Model S35GGW10 A stands out as a compact yet powerful air purifier, designed to bring cleaner air into your living spaces, while fitting seamlessly into modern home aesthetics. The first thing that catches your eye about the LG PuriCare Aero HIT is its elegant, pristine white cylindrical body. The choice of white not only symbolizes purity and cleanliness, but also allows the device to blend effortlessly into various home environments. From living rooms and bedrooms to workspaces and kitchens. Measuring just 24 centimeters in diameter and 51.1 centimeters tall, and weighing only 4.2 kilograms. The Aero HIT offers a compact footprint that fits easily into corners or tight spaces without compromising performance. Its cylindrical shape isn't merely for looks. This design is a hallmark of LG's air purifiers and serves a functional purpose, enabling 360-degree air intake and output. This omnidirectional airflow lets you place the unit near walls or in corners, while still ensuring effective circulation and filtration throughout the room. Inside the box, you'll find basic yet essential accessories, including a user manual, warranty card, and power adapter. LG has paid attention even to smaller details, such as enhancing the power adapter with subtle, curved textures to improve the overall premium feel of the product. Before using the purifier, remember to remove the plastic wrap from the pre-installed HEPA filter. This step is crucial to allow proper airflow and optimal filtration. From the very start, the Aero HIT operates at a maximum power consumption of 35 watts, which is energy efficient while still delivering a healthy air circulation rate. Its airflow volume ranges between 200 to 260 cubic meters per hour (mh), making it suitable for rooms up to 33 square meters in size. This coverage means the purifier can effectively serve most bedrooms, home offices, or living areas in typical apartments or houses. At the heart of the LG PuriCare Aero HIT is a generously sized HEPA filter engineered to capture ultrafine particles as small as PM 1.0 from every direction. This 360-degree filtration capability ensures that dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, and other microscopic airborne particles do not escape unfiltered, regardless of the purifier's placement. Beyond particulate matter, the Aero HIT is designed to reduce airborne bacteria, viruses, mold spores, and unpleasant odors, which is especially beneficial for households with pets, children, elderly members, or anyone with respiratory sensitivities. Noise can be a major consideration when choosing an air purifier, and LG provides clear information about the Aero HIT's sound output. The company states the noise level ranges from a low of 25 decibels on sleep mode to a maximum of 53 decibels during regular operation. In real-world tests within a typical home environment, ambient noise from outside sources sometimes exceeds the purifier's own noise. When running in sleep mode, the device produces around 53 decibels, roughly equivalent to the quiet ambiance of a library. On turbo mode, operating at full power, the noise increases to about 67 decibels, which is similar to a typical conversation's volume. Listening closely, the Aero HIT's internal fan noise is gentle and unobtrusive at lower speeds, while higher speeds are naturally louder but still within comfortable limits for most users. LG has embraced a sleek and modern user interface on the Aero HIT, opting for touch-sensitive buttons over traditional mechanical switches. This not only contributes to the device's minimalistic aesthetic, but also offers smooth, phone-like tactile feedback. The top panel features 4 capacitive buttons: power on-off, mode switching, fan speed adjustment, child lock activation. These controls are straightforward and responsive, making it easy to customize settings without fuss. Keeping pace with modern smart home trends, the Aero HIT supports wireless connectivity through the LG Think app available for smartphones. Through this app, users can remotely control the purifier's modes and fan speeds, schedule operation times for convenience and energy savings, receive real-time air quality updates, Monitor filter usage and receive timely replacement alerts. This intelligent control enhances user convenience and ensures the purifier runs efficiently, with minimal manual intervention. Thanks to its compact size and cylindrical design, the LG PuriCare Aero HIT can be placed almost anywhere in a room without compromising air circulation. Whether tucked into a corner, positioned next to a desk, or placed centrally in a living room, the purifier maintains consistent airflow in all directions. This placement flexibility is vital for urban apartments or houses, where space can be limited, and optimal positioning of air purifiers is critical for best performance. Pet owners. The purifier's HEPA filter captures pet dander and reduces pet-related odors, helping to maintain a fresher home environment. Families with children or elderly. By filtering airborne bacteria, viruses, and allergens, the Aero HIT creates a safer atmosphere for vulnerable individuals. Urban dwellers. Those living in cities with high pollution or frequent smog will appreciate the purifier's ability to trap fine particulate matter effectively. Anyone sensitive to allergens. People suffering from allergies or asthma can benefit greatly from the clean air produced by the Aero HIT. Dimensions: 24 cm diameter x 51.1 cm height. Weight 4.2 kg. Power consumption 35 W. Airflow volume 200,260 mH. Coverage area up to 33 meters. Filter type: HEPA filter. Captures PM 1.0. Noise level 25 decibels. Sleep 53 decibels max. Controls touch sensitive buttons. Smart features: LG Think app connectivity. The LG PuriCare Aero HIT is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact, modern, and efficient air purifier. Its thoughtful design allows for unobtrusive placement in various rooms, while its powerful 360-degree HEPA filtration ensures clean air throughout the space. User-friendly touch controls and smart app connectivity add convenience and control to everyday use. While its noise level is slightly higher at maximum settings, it remains comfortable enough for home use, and its modest power consumption helps keep running costs down. In sum, the PuriCare Aero HIT represents a well-balanced air purification solution that blends technology, design, and usability, making it a strong contender in the mid-range air purifier market, especially for urban households seeking healthier indoor air quality.